So in this short video, I will tell you what is double opt-in and how you can turn it off inside Klaviyo. So let's understand what is double opt-in. So whenever a user sign up through your pop-up or tries to sign up to your list, they receive this kind of like confirmation email that hey, yes, I want to subscribe. Then after they will get the like other email for let's example welcome email, and they will add into your list. So this is the process looks like. So for double opt-in, when visitor submits their email, they receive a confirmation email, and if they confirm, like if they like click on the button, then only they will get added to your list, and then they start receiving the emails. Whereas in single opt-in, you know, when visitors add their email, they will immediately add it to your email list, and they will start receiving the emails. So uh, if you are in like e-com store, and if your like deliverability is very good, then I strongly suggest you to use like single opt-in, because there's downside in double opt-in and also in single opt-in. So if your like email delivery is kind of low and you are like getting lots of like you know bounce emails or spam emails, then I would recommend to like turn on double opt-in. But in general, like I've been working with many e-com brands, and I like work with like 40 plus e-commerce brand in my career, and like all of them has single opt-in, none of them has double opt-in, and I will show you why why we don't recommend double opt-in. Because the main thing is like double opt-in, like it has like many steps, where like if people try to like follow all the steps, some people might not even like click on the email to like confirm it. So if I can show you the diagram here, here we go. Like single opt-in was a double opt-in. So let's say let's compare, like, so 1,000 people like enter the email in single opt-in, thousand person will add it into the list. But in like double opt-in, out of 1,000 only 600 people might uh, like confirm the subscription, and then they, so basically 4,000 subscribers is lost due to this email, because they didn't like confirm like hey, I want to subscribe. So in general, like like you will lose like 50% of the people. So if you compare it with, let's assume like out of 1,000 people who have received the emails in single opt-in, only 18% of the people who like open the email. By the way, that's not the case. As far as I've seen, when someone like edit it into the list via single opt-in and receives a welcome email, usually the open rate is like 40 to 60%, depends on the brand. But we are just assuming here like 80%, 18% open rate and 4% conversion rate leads to like $360 in revenue. Whereas in this case, let's assume like the if let's assume that like the open rate is high, and also like the conversion rate is high, because we just lost like 400 subscribers, and these 600 subscribers are kind of targeted. And then if we compare this, like we only generate around like $225 in revenue. So you can see like the single opt-in is generating more revenue. And if we see like if we compare like 6 month lifetime value, you can see like single opt-in is will like get more lifetime value as compared to double opt-in. So like that's why I recommend single opt-in. But there is also downside, like in single opt-in, like you might face like delivery issue, like it's like very less chance. But like I said, I will promise you, like if you like if your deliverability is good, you should turn on single opt-in. And like there is no need to like turn on double opt-in. Like every brand that I'm working with currently have single opt-in, and it's like very helpful to like grow your list. So let me show you like how you can turn on or turn off double opt-in inside Klaviyo. So if you go to Klaviyo, just go to this list and segment. You can find it under the audience. Click on list and segment, and you can see we have this list. So click on any list. So here we go. Okay, inside the list, you have to go to this last section called setting. In the setting, you have to like click on this consent here, and you can see here, yeah, you can see here our currently my list is single opt-in. And if you would like to turn on double opt-in, if you are facing delivery issues, then only turn on double opt-in. Then you can just click on double opt-in and just save it. And yeah, you can turn on and turn off double opt-in by this way. And yeah, and if you are an e-com brand who are facing any delivery issues and want us to fix that, or if you are an e-com brand who needs to like increase their email revenue, just book a call below. We will audit your account completely and also like provide you free to like two email designs that you can send it out to your audience and see the results by yourself. And yeah, maybe we can partner up in future. So yeah, I think that's the video. So yeah, also like let me know in the comments which videos you like me to create, and I will create it for you. So yeah, peace.